Right. So I'm now stuck in the car here. I'm going to Aldergard is now driving with me on board. I'm absolutely delighted to be next to the real friend, Björn Aldergard, the first ever World Rally Champion in 1979. So Björn, what do you think of this track? I was just going to say it's typical RSE weather. It brings back memories. Yes, it's really like the Mickey Mouse stage of the old RSE. I think it was more often it was raining than it was sunshine, so this feels very familiar. And I hope you know your way around, because I'm not sure that it's clocks and very few gauges compared to a modern car with all the sort of gadgetry that they have. There's a little list showing where all the fuses are and things. And there's the wiper switch there, which I used to work. I used to work the wiper switch for Roger when we got into a lot of mud. And it's a right-hand drive car, which is unusual for Björn. He's obviously spent most of his life driving left-hand drive cars, but here he is, very, very versatile. And we're setting off, and the noise from the back of the engine, this wonderful BBA engine, bringing back so many memories. And here he is going into a hard, long left-hander now. Get onto the ground, well onto the ground. The rear end coming out beautifully. And now a really hard right. And his handbrake, Björn's just grabbing the handbrake. The hard left in front of the oil cans. Down the straight. Now this is where he's got to know how far to brake, because this morning he had a bit of problem with it at this point. He's having to do it. And we're onto the ground. And now well after. And then we'll try and just pull in. Yeah. So Marco Allen's now going to I'm going to try and prep all out with this video. Quite important, brilliant.